What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to give you the cheapest hosting plan. So it is one of the cheapest hostinger option you can use to get your hosting from Hostinger, and it is the cheapest web hosting and WordPress plan. So just simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on that link, you will be entitled to a page like this. You can see over here Hostinger deals. You can see that they have uh, being rated as top-notch hosting company on Trustpilot, Google, hosted by WP Beginner, everyone rating them more than 4.5. You can see that they have data centers all around the world. They have their own website solution builder. They provide maximized website speed. They have 24/7 support, and they also have advanced security features, free SSL, free DDoS attack, preventing your website from DDoS attacks, as well as automatic backups and malware scanner, and free migration in case if you're coming from another hosting company, and their agent will guide you step by step the process. So if you ask me the cheapest option, I'm going to give you two options. Just simply select the WordPress from over here and web hosting from over here. You can see that in the WordPress, the cheapest plan is premium plan $2.99, but I'm going to give you another cheap option as well, and that is only available in the web hosting plan, and that you can see over here is that the single web hosting. So that is the most cheapest plan they offer you. You can see over here the features, functions, comparison. Once you figure it out, just simply select the add to cart from over here. Once you select the add to cart, you will be redirected to another page. On that page, you are going to see the summary. Okay, I'm going to give you two of the coupon codes as well in this video. You can see that the plan comes with 30 days money back guarantee, so you can buy with confidence. Choose a billing period. They offer you 4 billing periods. I recommend you to offer the 48 months because that is even cheapest, most cheapest option. Scroll below, select the have a coupon code, and write this coupon code. You can see that the current price got a further reduction in discount. There is another one as well. So you can see that the price got a further reduction in discount. So enjoy your hosting with Hostinger with this cheapest option hosting plan. Good luck.